Hi, it's Patrick here from the GarageBandGuide.com. In this video, I'm going to check out some of the new features in the latest GarageBand for iOS update, version 2.3.7. So, going by the patch notes, 2.3.7 doesn't sound like the most exciting thing in the world, but there are some excellent new features built into this update. There are some fantastic new drummers available to download from within GarageBand's sound library, and these seem to be special, secret drummers, as Apple decided not to mention them in the list of update features at all. It's almost like they don't know what they're doing anymore. Look, Tim, it's fine, it's okay. Just go and keep working on an excuse that explains why you've removed the headphone jack from the new iPads. Sorry, that's a rant for another day. Like previous drummers that have been added to GarageBand via the sound library, those found in the Songwriter Drummers pack have been lifted wholesale from the macOS version of GarageBand. Parker has a 60s songwriter vibe. Levi has a laid-back, modern sound. And Graham has some more experimental beats. All in all, these drummers are a great addition to the app, and it's starting to look like Apple planned to drip feed the existing drummer lineup that's currently in the macOS version of GarageBand over to iOS, which is great news. There's a new smart guitar available, the Retro Wah. This smart instrument comes loaded with the new wah pedal stompbox effect. Not only does the wah pedal work with all versions of the smart instruments, and sounds especially good if you set the wah guitar to autoplay, you can also play it with your face. Yeah, working in the same way as the facial controls in the Alchemy synth inside GarageBand, where iOS devices with a true depth camera, like the iPhone XS or XR for example, let you control the mod wheel with your mouth. You can now do the same thing with the wah pedal. I don't own an iDevice with a true depth camera, that's what gives you Face ID, so I can't show you that feature, but here's a quick demo of the new Retro Wah guitar in action. GarageBand for iOS now supports keyboard commands when using a smart keyboard or Bluetooth keyboard. Now, this is great news if you work with both macOS and iOS versions of GarageBand, as the keyboard shortcuts are the same for both versions. My good buddy Pete from Studio Live Today live streamed himself getting to grips with these shortcuts, so if you want to see for yourself if they'll make your life easier, then check that video out. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Well, I think that about covers it. Another excellent update from Apple, who really seem keen to consistently provide new sounds, features and updates to GarageBand for iOS. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.